Here we're going to look at solving more equations. We might notice something interesting about these ones, but we won't know until we start. So just normal steps, I have to distribute. So I get 3w plus 6 minus w. All right, distribute that 3. And distribute this 2. 2w minus 2 plus 5. Then get like terms together. 3w minus w is 2w plus 6 on the left. And then we have 2w plus 3 on the right. Now I want the w's on the same side as each other, so I'll subtract 2w from both sides. Then we might notice something interesting. All the w's canceled off completely. What does this mean? Well, it depends. Notice how this says 6 equals 3. So we know that 6 doesn't equal 3, so something has gone wrong. Well, we didn't do anything wrong. It's that this equation was set up in a way that no matter what you would have tried for w, you can't make 6 equal 3. So this is how you can tell if you get something that's not true, that this equation from the beginning had no solution. You can't tell till you get a few steps in, but we can see, well, 6 definitely doesn't equal 3. So if you get something that's not true, it has no solution. Alright, then let's see the other option that can happen here. What usually happens then is you get really used to getting one solution, like 90% of the time you get one solution, and every once in a while you get infinite number of solutions or no solution like we just saw. And so at first you always think that you did something wrong. But then if you check your work and then you remember, wait, sometimes that happens, some problems aren't solvable, or some are equal to each other already. Alright, so if we start doing this one, distribute the 4, 4y plus 4 minus y equals 3y minus 3 plus 7. Then like terms, 4y minus y is 3y plus 4. On this side, negative 3 and 7 is 3y plus 4. At whatever point you notice, hey, both sides are already the same, that might already tell you it's infinite number of solutions. But notice if we keep going through the steps, we get down to something like this, like 4 equals 4, or 0 equals 0. We get something that is true, right? 4 does equal 4. But notice all our y's is canceled out already. So what they're saying is no matter what we would have put for y, it was going to be equal anyways. So that means that for y, we could have put any number and it would have worked. And so that's called infinite number of solutions, so that any number in the whole world works. So usually you get one solution, but these are the two oddball things that can happen. The hardest part about them is remembering that it can happen in the first place. So something true means infinite solutions, something not true means no solution.